Hello. In the last video, we will discuss about method of separation of variable. Now, we will take more example to understand this method. Now, question is using the method of separation of variables solve del 2u over del x 2 times del u over del t plus of u, where u x comma 0 is 6e to power minus of 3x minus of 3x. This is the question. Solution: let the solution of given partial differential equation is u is equal to x into t. This is equation 1, where capital X is function of x only and capital T is the function of t only. So differentiating equation 1 partially with respect to x and t respectively, we get del u over del x, this be equal to del of x over del x into t, and del u over del t, this be x del t over del t. This be equation number 2 and this be equation number 3. Now, using equation 1, 2 and 3 in given PDE, partial differential equation. So when we substitute in given partial differential equation in this equation, we get del of x over del x t is equal to 2 times x del t over del t plus of x into t. Now using method of separation of variable, we get 1 upon x del x upon del x, this be equal to 2 upon t del t over del x plus 1, this be equal to a constant k. This be equation number 4. Now, from 4 from 4 from 4, we have 1 upon x, del x over del x, this will be equal to k, and 2 upon t, del t over del, sorry, this will be the t, this will be the t, del t plus 1 is equal to k. Solving above equation, we have capital X is equal to integrate it, we can get capital X is equal to a e to power cx kx, a e to power kx. This will be the equation number 5, where a be any constant. Where a be any constant. And solving above equation, we get capital T is equal to b e to power 1 upon 2 k minus 1 into t. 1 upon 2 k minus 1 into t, where b is any constant. Listen that b be any constant, b कोई कांस्टेंट है. अब ये सोल्यूशन कैसे आया, तो ध्यान दें 1 upon x del x over del x is equal to k. So in the last video I also state that by method of separation of variable, this capital X is the function of x only, that is small x only. So by method of separation of variable, this equation behaves like ordinary differential equation. So when this equation can be write as capital del of capital X is equal to k of del x capital X. So this be the linear differential equation, and उसके basis पे जब हम solve करेंगे, our solution will be this. Similarly, in this case, this can be written as 2 upon t del t over del t is equal to k minus 1. And when we integrate, this also behaves like linear ordinary differential equation, and when we integrate this, we get the solution this. So it is very easy to obtain this solution by the ordinary differential equation, by linear ordinary differential equation. And so this will be the equation number 6. Using 5 and 6 in equation 1, we have u is equal to a e to power kx into b e to power 1 upon 2 k minus 1 into t. This will be the equation number 7, and this is the solution of given partial differential equation. This is the solution of given partial differential equation, where a and b are any constant, but we have to obtain the value of a and b. की वैल्यू हमको चाहिए, और ये चाहिए क्यों? Since we have to given the initial condition in the question, दिस इज द इनिशियल कंडीशन जो आपको दिया गया है, ux, 0 is equal to 6e to power minus of 3x. Since this initial condition is given, so we obtain the value of this constant. Otherwise, this will be the solution with the arbitrary constant. Solution हमारा हो चुका है, but this solution consists of two unknown constant a and b. So we have to obtain the value of a and b. So now we put given initial condition ux, 0 is equal to 6e to power minus of 3x in equation 7. we have, यानी t इक्वल टू 0 आपको सब्स्टिट्यूट करना है. तो व्हेन वी सब्स्टिट्यूट दिस, वी हैव u6 of e to power minus of 3x, this be equal to a into b e to power kx. Because when we substitute the value of t 0, then this will be 0 and e to power 0 is 1. So we have this much. By comparison, we have a into b is equal to 6 and value of k is minus of 3. So the complete solution by using this initial condition, we have ux comma t, this be equal to 6 e to power minus of 3x into e to power 1 upon 2 into minus of 4 into t. This be equal to 6 e to power minus of 3x into e to power minus of 2t. This be 6 times e to power minus of 3x plus of 2t. This be the solution of this. This is the solution. ये आपका solution हो गया उस given partial differential equation का, minus of 3x plus 2t. Okay, it will be clear. So in this way we obtain the solution of given partial differential equation. So now we will discuss next example. Consider the question. Question is solve the PDE by separation of variable method. Ux is equal to u of y plus 2u with the initial condition this be 0 and del of del x u of 0 comma y, this be 1 plus e to power minus of 3y. Now we will discuss about this question. इस क्वेश्चन का सॉल्यूशन हमारा क्या होगा. ध्यान दें, ये क्वेश्चन थोड़ा सा अलग है, इसको हम समझें कैसे हम इसको सॉल्व करेंगे. प्रोसेस विल बी सेम विच आई डिस्कस्ड इन अर्लियर प्रॉब्लम्स. सो Solution: let u is equal to capital X and capital Y be the solution of given PDE, where X is function of X only and Y is function of Y only. So on differentiating equation 1, we get del u over del y, this be equal to capital X del of y upon del y, and del 2u over del x square is y del 2 of x over del x square. Now this be the equation number 2 and this be the 3. Now using 1, 2 and 3 in the given PDE, we get y del 2x over del x square is equal to x del y over del y plus of 2 times capital X into capital Y. This implies that dividing by xy both sides, we get del 2 of x over x del x square del y over y del y plus of 2. Now we will select it. Okay. Now we select it. Okay. हमने इसको K ले लिया. It is visible? Yes, it is visible. Del 2 of x del x square equal to this much. Now this part, ये जो K है, we should let it, and this be the equation number 4. ये हमने let किया. So by method of separation of variable, both the variables are separated. So we can write. So by method of separation of variable, we have del 2 of x over x del x square, this be the K, and del y over y del of y plus 2 is equal to K. Integrating above equation, we get capital X is equal to C1 e to power under root kx plus of C2 e to power minus of under root kx, and integrating above equation, we get capital Y is equal to C3 e to power k minus 2 of y. So using this value of capital X and capital Y in equation 1, we get u of x comma y, this will be the c1 e to power under root kx plus c2 e to power minus under root kx into c3 e to power k minus 2 of y. This will be the equation number 5. This is the solution of given partial differential equation where c1, c2 and c3 are unknown constant. Where c1, c2 and c3 are unknown constant. ये सब हमारे unknown constant है. Where c1, c2 and c3 are unknown constant. We have to given in the question initial condition. So by substituting initial condition, we have to obtain these constant values. Now we put given initial condition in equation 5, that is u of 0 comma y is equal to 0. We have here the value of x is 0. So substitute in this. 0 is equal to, when we substitute the value of x is 0, this will be 0, that e to power 0 is 1, this will be e to power 0 is 1. So c1 plus c2 into c3 e to power k minus 2 of y. This implies that c1 plus c2 is equal to 0, since c3 e to power k minus 2 of y is not equal to 0. This is not equal to 0 because we substitute the value of x, and by method of separation of variable, this is the function of y. So this will not be 0. So this implies that c1 is equal to minus of c2. Using this condition in equation 5, we have u of x comma y, this will be equal to c1 will be common, e to power under root kx minus e to power minus of under root kx into c3 e to power k minus 2 of y. So this can be written as c1 into c3 e to power under root kx minus e to power minus of under root kx e to power k minus 2 of y. This is the solution of u x comma y. Now this will be the equation number 6. From 6 it is clear that from 5 and 6, equation 5 is this, equation 6 is this. Think about these two questions. In equation 5 there are 3 unknown constants, but now in the equation 6 we already get a relation between c1 and c2, so there is 2 unknown constants, c1 and c3. Now when we see the given initial condition in the question is in the form of the summation 1 plus e to power minus of 3y, it means the solution obtained here will be the combination of two terms. So to obtain these values, we consider this solution be written as summation of n equal to 1 to infinity bn e to power under root kx minus e to power minus of under root kx into e to power k minus 2 of y. This is the uxy. This will be the equation number 7, where c2 c3 is equal to summation of n equal to 1 to infinity bn. एक कांस्टेंट है, and this constant in the form of the summation in this way. Now we substitute the last initial condition Now we put last initial condition in above equation. We have last initial condition क्या है, that is del u over del x u of 0 comma y, this will be 1 plus e to power minus of 3y. So to put this initial condition, first we differentiate equation 7 with respect to x. Now differentiating equation 7 with respect to x, we get del u over del x, this will be equal to summation of to 1 to infinity bn under root k e to power under root kx and minus e to power minus of under root kx e to power k minus 2 of y. So this be the, on putting this initial condition in this way, we have 1 plus e to power minus of 3y summation of n equal to 1 to infinity bn under root k b1 under root k, and when we substitute e to power 0 one things, one things more here, equation 7 is minus, so it will be plus. On differentiating it will be plus, so 1 plus 1 e to power k minus 2 of y. So this way summation of equal to 1 to infinity 2 times under root k bn e to power k minus 2 of y. Expanding this value for different value of n, we have 2 under root k of b1 e to power k minus 2 of y plus 2 under root k of b2 e to power k minus 2 of y plus, and so on, for different value of b. But in the left hand side, this is the combination of only two terms, so the solution will be consist of combination of only two terms b1 and b2, and rest of the b3 b4 and so on will be 0 by comparison. So by comparing the above equation, we have 2 under root k b1 is equal to 1 and k minus 2 is equal to 0. This implies that b1 is equal to 1 upon 2 under root k and k is equal to 2. This implies that when we substitute the value of k is here, this b1 is equal to 1 upon 2 root 2. So listen, when b1 is 1 upon 2 root 2, then the value of k is 2. And when we substitute the value of b1, then we substitute corresponding term, value of k is 2. Again 2 under root k b2 is 1 and k minus 2 is equal to minus of 3. This implies that b2 is 1 upon 2 root k and this k is equal to minus of 1. When we substitute the value of k, b2 is 1 upon 2 under root minus of 1, this will be 1 upon 2y. So when we substitute the value of b2, the value of k is minus of 1. So using these value of b1 and b2 in equation 7, in equation 7 we have, first we expand this equation to u of x comma y is equal to b1 e to power under root kx minus of e to power minus of under root kx into e to power k minus 2 of y plus of b2 e to power under root kx minus e to power minus of under root kx e to power k minus 2 of y. So when we substitute the value of b1, value of k is 2, and when we substitute the value of b2, value of k is minus of 1. So u of x comma y, this way the b1 is 1 upon 2 root 2 e to power under root 2x minus e to power under root 2x into e to power 2 minus 2 is 0, e to power 0 plus 1 upon 2i e to power value of k under root minus of 1 x minus e to power minus under root of minus of 1 x and e to power minus of 1, so minus of 3 of y. So this be equal to this can be written as sine of hyperbolic under root 2x upon under root 2 plus ये ix हो जाएगा, vix हो जाएगा, तो प्लस साइन ऑफ x into e to power minus of 3y. तो दिस विल बी द सॉल्यूशन ऑफ दिस पार्शियल डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन. ये आपका सॉल्यूशन हो जाएगा. दिस इज योर रिक्वायर्ड सॉल्यूशन. दिस इज योर रिक्वायर्ड सॉल्यूशन. बी क्लियर? This is your complete required solution of xy of the given partial differential equation. So in this way we can obtain the solution of any given partial differential equation by method of separation of variable. Further case will be discussed in next video. Okay, thank you.